Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on a Realme C65. So you have to start by opening your Google app, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on voice match and click here to enable Hey Google. Now you have to scroll down and click I agree, then scroll down again and click I agree again, and click next. Then click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. And now you can go back. And go back again. Then click on Gemini. And as you can see, my Gemini is enabled. So now let's check if my Google Assistant will work. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.